Which one of these statements about the bus timetable is correct? The longest time between stops is 5 minutes. The total trip from the depot to the city always takes 61 minutes. From 8:30 onwards, it takes 10 minutes longer to get from the depot to the city. From 8:30 onwards, it is 10 minutes longer between buses leaving the depot. Looking at our options here, let's start with 1. 1 says the longest time between stops is 5 minutes. So option A is actually incorrect. And we can see that here when we look at the distance between stops 3 and 4. This is actually a 6-minute gap, and hence A can't be true. Let's move on to B. It says the total trip from the depot to the city takes 61 minutes. Now, it's actually the same at every single point in time, and it doesn't take 60 minutes, it actually takes 51 minutes. So B is also wrong. C, from 8:30 onwards, it takes 10 minutes longer to get from the depot to the city. Now we know this is false, because yet again, 9 to 9:51. These times remain constant. It's another 51-minute trip, so C isn't correct either. D, however, is our correct answer. From 8:30 onwards, it is 10 minutes longer between buses leaving the depot. So let's explain that now. At the depot, a bus leaves from the depot to the city every 20 minutes. So 6:50 to 7:10, that's a 20-minute gap for the next bus. 7:10 to 7:30, another 20-minute gap. 7:30 to 7:50 and 7:50 to 8:10 are again all 20 minutes. But after 8:30, the next bus is at 9. Between 8:30 and 9 o'clock, there's actually a 30-minute gap. And between 9 and 9:30, there is another 30-minute gap. Now 30 minutes is a 10-minute longer gap than there is as a 20-minute gap here between 7:50 and 8:10. Hence, D is correct. It takes 10 minutes longer between buses after 8:30.